1. Introduction. You wouldn't buy a car without checking the engine, so why skip an HVAC inspection before buying a home? For many homeowners, skipping this step can mean facing a replacement bill that often tops $11,500, with some projects reaching over $14,000. Standard home inspections usually check if the system turns on and off, but they rarely test refrigerant levels, airflow, or the actual age and wear of critical components. A specialized HVAC inspection goes further. It reveals hidden issues like worn parts, declining efficiency, or outdated systems that standard checks miss. Before you close on your next home, it's worth understanding what's really behind the vents. 2. The hidden cost of skipping HVAC inspections. Unexpected HVAC breakdowns can turn a new home into a financial burden almost overnight. One family, eager to settle in, skipped a specialized HVAC inspection and soon faced a $14,000 replacement bill that included a new AC unit, evaporator coil, and installation. Their total fell within the $1,150 to $1,400 average range for full system replacements in 2025, but costs can climb even higher, sometimes exceeding $20,000, if ductwork or additional upgrades are needed. The family's excitement faded quickly when, just weeks after moving in, their AC began blowing warm air and making grinding noises during a July heat wave, forcing them to relocate temporarily. Standard home inspections typically confirm if the HVAC system powers on and off, but they don't evaluate refrigerant type, airflow, electrical controls, or the condition of internal components. In this family's case, the 17-year-old system had already surpassed its average lifespan of 15 years, making failure likely. The financial impact of an HVAC failure extends beyond the initial repair. Replacement costs can escalate rapidly, especially during peak seasons, and the disruption often means additional expenses for temporary housing. According to industry data, a pre-purchase HVAC inspection, typically costing less than $500, can help buyers avoid unexpected failures that lead to bills of $11,000 or more. This small upfront investment can prevent major setbacks and protect your comfort during critical times. The risks of skipping a thorough HVAC evaluation are clear, but buyers can take specific steps to protect themselves. Knowing exactly what to ask for in an HVAC assessment can make all the difference in avoiding costly surprises and negotiating from a position of strength. 3. What buyers should demand in HVAC evaluations. A thorough HVAC evaluation should go beyond a quick glance at the thermostat or a simple on-off test. Buyers should expect a detailed inspection of the system's most critical components. The thermostat ensures controls respond accurately, while the compressor, typically lasting 12 to 15 years, can show early signs of failure under heavy refrigerant type is another key factor. Systems still running on R22, which is now phased out, signal an expensive replacement ahead, often in the $6,000 to $8,000 range. Ductwork integrity also matters, as leaky ducts can lose up to 30% of conditioned air, driving up energy costs and reducing comfort. The blower motor's wear patterns offer clues about the system's remaining lifespan, and these specifics are rarely checked in standard home inspections. Sellers sometimes gloss over or vaguely disclose HVAC issues. A note that an older system still cools well might hide the reality of an 18-year-old unit with outdated refrigerant lines. Others might update visible parts, but leave internal components corroded or worn. More concerning, some homes have dangerous hazards like cracked heat exchangers, which can lead to carbon monoxide leaks. It's an issue that poses real safety risks and is often missed without a specialized inspection. The most common omissions involve systems at or beyond their expected lifespan, where sellers hope problems remain hidden until after closing. Professional inspectors use specialized tools to uncover these hidden problems. Infrared thermography detects hotspots and radiant leaks that indicate refrigerant or airflow issues. Combustion analyzers measure exhaust gases, revealing unsafe furnace operation and dangerous carbon monoxide levels. Static pressure tests expose duct restrictions that aren't visible to the naked eye. These methods can identify issues like hairline cracks in heat exchangers or improper refrigerant levels, problems that may take months to become obvious but can cost thousands to fix. One inspection revealed an AC unit using R22 refrigerant, which flagged a looming and costly replacement. Instead of accepting the seller's assurance that the system just needed a recharge, the buyers used the inspection report to negotiate an $8,500 credit toward a new unit. Detailed findings like these give buyers leverage to request repairs, seek price reductions, or walk away if the risks outweigh the benefits. When buyers have clear documentation, they're empowered to distinguish between minor fixes and major red flags. This level of insight can prevent unexpected expenses and ensure comfort from day one in a new home. For conclusion, many buyers underestimate the real cost of an HVAC failure until it happens. Carrier reports that replacing a central system typically costs between $11,590 and $14,100. It's an expense that often hits when a system is older than 12 to 15 years. These aging units can fail with little warning, leaving homeowners with a major bill and no cooling during peak summer heat. A professional HVAC inspection, which can cost as little as $150, offers a practical safeguard against these sudden expenses. For a fraction of the replacement cost, you gain peace of mind and the chance to address issues before they become urgent. Protect your investment and avoid preventable stress. Schedule your inspection today.